Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how to import images to Webflow live collection items using Google Sheets. Now why would you need this automation? Suppose you have a website on Webflow or you are creating a website through Webflow. What you can do is you can assign tasks to different people of finding different kinds of images. Now what they will do, they will find different types of images and they have an access to a Google Sheets where they are going to put the link of those images in Google Sheets, and automatically from that Google Sheet your new creation live item will be created in your Webflow account automatically. Now by doing this you are not sharing your Webflow account to anyone, and your Webflow account is automatically getting the posts from Google Sheets through different types of people. So you do not have to pay attention to that. You can later on check it, and if you want to publish these items later on, you can check the images and publish them later, which has been given to you through other people on that Google Sheets. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Sheets and Webflow together. Now if you want to learn how to do this workflow, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So here what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this page. And here what we have to do, we have to go and sign in. Now we have two options here, either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So go and sign up now if you do not have an account. If you have an account, go for sign in. So I have an account, so let's just go for sign in. Here you can see I have to click on access now for Pabbly Connect, and as soon as I will do that, a new window will open, and in this new window I am going to have all the automations I have already done. You can see it here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this button here, create workflow, and create a new workflow for the new automation. Now here we are going to give it a name, Google Sheets to Webflow. Okay. Now because I am connecting Google Sheets to Webflow, I am giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Let's just click on create. And as soon as we will click on create, you will see we will have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So here what is happening, we are going to have Google Sheets. So let's just click on Google Sheets, and here in trigger event, we are going to click on new or updated spreadsheet row. Now, here you can see we have this webhook URL. Now webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Google Sheets to our Pabbly Connect account, so that whenever we are going to have any entry in our Google Sheets, the response will be captured here in our Pabbly Connect account. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this, and now here you can see we have to follow these steps. I'm just going to follow this, and I'm going to show you how it's done. You can read it later on. So we'll go here. Then you can see we will have to go to extensions and then to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. If you do not have Pabbly Connect Webhooks, go to add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here you can search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Whenever you will search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, you will be redirected here and install it into your system. I already have it in my system, so I'm just going to go here in extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and initial setup. Now here what I'm going to do, when you will open it, you will see that you will have this entry field of webhook URL and trigger column. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this webhook URL from this Pabbly Connect account, and here we are going to paste it. And now trigger column. So what is the trigger column? The trigger column is the column responsible for sending data from Google Sheets to your Pabbly Connect account. So here the trigger column is B, because trigger column will always be the last data column of your spreadsheet. So trigger column is B, click on submit. Then go back to extensions. And before taking data, we have to put data here. So I have this image here. I'm just going to put it here. So this is the image. I'm just going to copy this image. Go to Google Sheets, and what is this? Flowers. Okay. So I'm just going to give a caption. Beautiful flowers, and here I am going to put the image URL. Okay, now this is the image URL, this is the caption, beautiful flowers. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, initial setup, and after that what I am going to do, I am just going to click on send test. Now as soon as I will click on send test, you can see test data sent successfully, and here in Pabbly Connect account I have this webhook response. This is the caption, beautiful flowers, and this is the image URL from where I am taking the image. So our first step of connecting our Pabbly Connect account to our Google Sheets is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use our action window, and here we are going to go for Webflow. Now here just click on Webflow. After that, in action event, what we have to do, we are creating a live item. So we will click for create live item and then connect. We will go for add new connection, and now it is asking you for the API token. So from where you are going to get this API token, you have to go to your account of Webflow. Then you have to go to your project settings, integrations, and API access. So let's just do that. This is my Webflow account. From here, I am going to go to project settings. And from project settings, I am just going to go for API. So let's just search for API here. So where is the part where we have API? Let me just see. We have to go to, okay, sorry, before going to API, first we have to go to integrations. So we have to go to integrations. After going to integrations, we have to find the API. So where is the API now? Look, this is the API. So you can see here we have this option of generate API token. So just click on generate API, copy this API from here, go back to your settings in Pabbly Connect, and here just paste the API. Now as it is written, enter the access token like this. So you have to copy this bearer and put it at the first part and then space, and this is your API. Now click on save, and as soon as you will click on save, you will see your project is now connected to the Pabbly Connect account. Now here you can see site is High's Spectacular Project. So this is the name of the project, High's Spectacular Project. So we will just go back and let me just show you which project is this. So this is the project, friends, and here we are going to have live item. So you can see these are the live items we have in our project: stop the war, no war, digital marketing, etc., etc. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go here in Pabbly Connect, and we are going to select the project, High's Spectacular Project. Collection is My Shorts, because the name of the collection is My Shorts. You can see here, when I will go to CMS, you can see here the name is written My Shorts. So this will be the project here. So My Shorts. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to put the image URL. So we will go, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique here which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So we will go for image, and I'll map the URL, which is this, and then I'm going to map in the name is beautiful flowers. Okay, the caption is the name. Now I do not want to put any of these fields because I do not have any of these fields in my Google Sheets. So I'm just going to click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will do that, it is saying me validation failure. So let's see what went wrong. Let me just go back. Okay, so I forgot to mention these two fields, and I have to mention these two fields. Now, because we are putting the image for publishing, we are not, archiving the image, or we are not saving it as a draft. So what we have to do manually, we have to write here false for this term, and draft, so false for this term as well. Now we are going to go back and save and send test request again, and I hope this time we are not going to have any error. And as you can see, we do not have any error, and here you can see the name is beautiful flowers, slug, image field is this, image URL is this. And now let us just go to our project and let's see if we have our, here you can see 11 items. As soon as I am going to refresh it, it should be, okay, I have been logged out. Let me just log in again. So you can see I have logged in again. Now when you are using the demo accounts, these are some of the problems you have to face. What can we do? I'm really sorry for that. So here you can see when I will go back here, now my shorts has 12 items here. First it was showing 11 items, and when we will scroll down, you can see that I have this image of beautiful flowers here. The name of this image is beautiful flowers, and this is the image which I used, and this is how I am using my Google Sheets to add new images. Now I am just going to add one more image in front of you, and I will show you how it's done. Let me just take out one more image from source. So let's just go here, and this is the part where I took the image from. Now this is the image. Let me just go here and let me just copy this. Okay, so this is the new image we are trying to put in our Webflow as a live item, and you can see a beautiful tree. Let me just name it beautiful tree. That would be much easy for me. So beautiful tree. And before I put this, let me just tell you one more thing. Before I add any new row, what I did here, I have selected this send on event. I have clicked this send on event. When you will do it, you will see this send on event without this right sign like this. You have to click on it and you have to activate it. It should show the right sign here. Let me just wait. Okay, it should show this right sign here. Only then your data from Google Sheets by adding a new row will be taken into the Pabbly Connect account, and from there it will go to the Webflow account. Okay. So let me just go for beautiful tree, and here let me just add the image, and now refresh. So you can see the Google Sheets is now, the data in the Google Sheets is now saved. We will go back here and you can see we do not have a new image here. Now let me just refresh, and my fingers are crossed so that I do not get logged out once again. And I did not get logged out once again. And here you can see I have this new image, beautiful tree. The caption is beautiful tree, which I gave here in my Google Sheets just now. So friends, this is how you can use your Google Sheets to create live items in your Webflow account automatically. So whenever you find any image from any source which is public, just remember that the source should be public. Only then the Sheets would be able to, post the images to your Webflow account. Now, whenever you are going to find these kind of images and you want to upload it through your Google Sheets, you can just connect your Google Sheets to your Webflow account like this, and the images that is added to the Google Sheets through links will be added as a live item in your Webflow account. Now, if you love this workflow, you can just go to my description box and clone this workflow into your account, and for that you need to go and have an account. For that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.